I'm going to show how to use the foam hotline cutting machine. Firstly, open this software and draw a circle. Draw a 200mm circle and draw a second circle, millimeter 100. The two circles need to connect with each other by a line. After drawing, we are going to make a program. Firstly, you need to draw a assistant line and press this program for cutting function, the cutting road. Click here. You can choose the forward for cutting. Click it. Confirm. Then to cut the second circle, each design pattern need to make the program, and then press here to save the G-code design file. And name this design file. Exit that, and then open this one. And then we find the design pattern we just saved in the PC. TAP for TAP form. Before you start, this is start. Before you start, you need to start the speed. Then we're going to show another. Still draw a circle, big and small, diameter 200 and 100. Click to save it. The two circle design, save it. Open this software and choose this one, and open the two circle we just draw. You can select the two circles together, then get into the software. You will see there are two circles, one big and one small. Click the cutting function. This is the two circle type design. Here is for what is. This is for length. height. This is height. This is the person. Press it to see the press this to find the place where to cut. This is for preview. This is for checking. And this is for test. This and this is for the lever forward. This is left. The form to the left side distance. This is right side. This value is form with the side right side distance. This is offset. Offset X, offset Y. This is for preview. It can show you how it cutting. And then we are going to save 4 exercises G-code design file in your PC. After saved, you can close this design file, design software, and reopen this one. Reopen this one. It's for control system. And find the design file we just make. This is the design, big circle and small circle, glued. Okay, finished. Then we are going to next. Firstly, we draw a circle. First circle we draw 100 millimeter. And draw a square. We need to draw a assistant line. Usually we draw this assistant line on the bigger size surface. And find a center from there to there. We need to find this center is the same with this center on the same level. draw the two lines into the circle. Divide the circle into 4 parts. Program to make cutting rod. Each cutting rod select and confirm. And press the program and find the 4 exercises and press here. H is for the whole cutting radius for the machine. It's 1 and it's 2. The distance is for the material and table distance. Then we save the design file, G-code. And then we go back to the control system and press here to log in the design file we just make. It only shows one surface. After shutter speed, can press start. Fourthly, we are going to show another design file how to make. We firstly draw a circle, a big circle and a small circle also. Let them at the same center. And save it. And open this Divi form software. And choose this one. Find the design file we just make. Open it. You will see. We are going to make use this one going to create the cutting rod. Here is for preview. To see the round glue. This is for automatic make program. Press this one to make the 4 exercises G-code design file. And press it, save it. And open this. Load the design file. Then you can see the design file and put the material on the machine. You can open it.